programming in C# and ASP.NET. This is Mr. Wilson, your instructor and guide, as we take a closer look at C# and ASP.NET. CS ASP 018. Challenge, calendar days between. Let's go to Visual Studios. So here we are, gang, and we're on here looking at the calendar control challenge. And as you can see, I've already got the project completed up here. What you'll have to do is have 3 calendars. Go and see if you can figure out how to do these color controls. I didn't tell you how to do those in the video. But you can check and see if you can figure that out or not. They must be readable, so don't pick color combinations that are unreadable. I don't care what colors you do, preferably close to the colors I've got, just because they are very readable, okay? Labels, my first date, my second date, and then a blackout days calendar. And a label that will tell us the number of days. So let's just see this run. Okay, here's our project. And if I pick, let's say I pick the 8th, notice what happens here. It immediately changes and shows me what the date is that I picked. And let's say I picked the 23rd. And notice this changes to show me the date that I picked, okay? And so if I push the OK button, it does 2 things. Number 1, it tells me the number of days between here and here, and it shows me the blackout. Now the challenge is I didn't show you how to do the number of days, but I'm going to say that there is a function that you can take 2 dates and it will tell you the number of days. So work on that. This is supposed to be a challenge. It's supposed to stretch you a little bit. So the coloring of the calendars, the blackout calendar, the number of days, all working off that OK button, okay? And I do have one more little step, kind of the bonus part to this challenge. Wait 1 second, and I will be back with that. Okay, this is the calendar blackout challenge. And notice all that I've done is I've added an image back behind all of this. Notice you can read all the labels. You can see all the calendars. And I've made it to where it's a very pleasing the way it looks, okay? My picture is not so crazy that so there must be some control that I can cause that picture to not be quite so bright and quite so vibrant back behind that. And there must be some way to put it in the back, okay? So if you think of it as layers, that's the best way to think of this idea, okay? So go ahead and work on that, and we will talk later. Our next video is CS ASP 019 Debugging Basics. I look forward to seeing you there.